Hi everybody, this is T.S. Raju. In this video, I would like to discuss something very interesting and useful for English learners. Before that, let me make a request. Please subscribe to my channel and encourage your friends to subscribe to receive more and more videos. Before going into our discussion, let me speak a few words about myself. I was a Telugu medium student until 10th class. I was the student of APSWR school, Arugal. And after that, I studied in English medium. I had to learn English. I didn't know English at that time. My teachers taught me English. My tutors motivated me in such a way that I developed a kind of interest towards the subject. I really liked to learn English. So the first thing I did was to like to learn. I liked to speak English, to learn English, and I learned English. You know, the process I followed to learn English, I never avoided any piece of English paper. Whenever I found a piece of paper, if it is English, I used to take the paper and I used to read it. Of course, I didn't know what was there in the paper, what I was reading, but I used to read it. And I used to refer to many storybooks which were written in English. And of course, I used to refer to a dictionary. So these habits made me develop my interest towards the subject. These habits helped me develop my touch with the language. And so I became habituated to speak English. You know, I love to speak English now. I also can speak Telugu like you people. But I love to speak English, and so I continue to speak English. I know you people also would like to speak English. You also want to communicate in English with your friends. But something is stopping you from speaking English. You know what? There are two great dangers that stop you from speaking English. They are fear and shy. Of course, I had them. I had these two demons which obstructed me from speaking English. But you know, I tried hard because I loved to speak English. I decided to speak English. These two demons could not do anything. So you also, if you are afraid, if you feel shy, put them aside and first start speaking English. You know, you will feel, when you speak English, you might feel, maybe I'm speaking wrong. If I speak wrong, the other person might find out at me. Or I may not be able to speak good English. Or there may be some grammar mistakes in my language. These are all your fears and feeling of shy. If you do not start speaking, if a person does not identify your mistakes and tell you that you are making some mistake in speaking, how will you come to know about your mistakes? So you have to start speaking English, and the other person should recognize that you are speaking English. Sometimes if there are mistakes, he has to identify them and he has to tell you. And then when you speak the next time, you have to rectify your problems, your mistakes, and then continue speaking English. Only then you will become perfect. How can you become perfect if somebody doesn't help you? So there should be somebody to identify your mistakes so that you will be able to come out of the shells of fear and shy. Then you can become a good English speaker. You people may have a doubt. Why should I learn English? You know, the world now is full of English. The people who can speak English can survive anywhere. There are lots of uses of English. English is very useful to everybody. If you want to work in any company, if you want to demand anything, communication is very important. See, there are many people who would do well in the written examinations. But finally, when they go for oral interview, where they will have to prove themselves by speaking English, prove themselves in spoken skills, they fail, they come back, they lose their opportunity, which means English is the one which will decide your future. That is why you have to learn English, so that you will be able to demand. You will be able to survive happily with English. So you people take a strong decision. With the dedication, you take a decision. Yes, today onwards, I shall speak English. Come what may, I'll try. And if there are any problems, I'll rectify them. I'll get my doubts clarified. And I promise, I'm there behind you. I'm there with you. Whenever you have any problem, I'll clarify them and then support you to speak English well. First, you try to speak English. And then in my comment box, you can ask me your doubts. And then your doubts will be clarified. And I shall always stand with you in everything. Taking decision is yours and supporting is mine. Making you speak English is my promise to you people. And so my dear friends, నేను తెలుగు మీడియంలో చదువుకుని ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడగలుగుతాను. ఐఎమ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ అబౌట్ మై లాంగ్వేజ్. నేను మాట్లాడే లాంగ్వేజ్ పట్ల నాకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది. మీరు కూడా అలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా మాట్లాడాలంటే ఎస్, ఐఎమ్ దేర్ బిహైండ్ యూ, ఐఎమ్ దేర్ విత్ యూ. మీరు చేయాల్సిందల్లా ఒక డిసిజన్ తీసుకోండి, నిర్ణయం, స్ట్రాంగ్ డిసిజన్, గట్టి నిర్ణయం తీసుకోండి. ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఏదైనా డౌట్ మీకుంటే ఇమ్మీడియట్గా నన్ను కన్సల్ట్ చేయండి. మీ డౌట్స్ని నేను క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. నేను కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ రాకముందు మాట్లాడడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేసేటప్పుడు చాలా సమస్యలను ఎదుర్కొన్నాను. ఇట్ వాస్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫర్ మీ టు లెర్న్. అట్ వన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు క్విట్. ఒక్కసారి నేను దాన్ని మానేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. వుడ్ లైక్ టు టెల్ యూ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ లాంగ్వేజ్. మీరు ప్రొద్దుటి నుంచి సాయంత్రం వరకు మీ లైఫ్లో ఆ రోజులో ఏం జరిగిందో ఆ విషయాలన్నింటినీ కూడా తెలుగులో రాసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ రాసుకున్న దాన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్లోకి ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఎక్కడైతే డౌట్ వస్తుందో ఆ డౌట్ని క్లారిఫై చేసుకోవడానికి నా వీడియోస్ చూడండి, క్లారిఫై అవుతుంది. లేదా మీరు నాకు మీ డౌట్ని పోస్ట్ చేయండి, మీ డౌట్ని నేను క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. సో డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, రిమెంబర్, ఐఎమ్ దేర్ విత్ యూ టు సపోర్ట్ యూ ఆల్ ద టైమ్. నో ఫియర్, డోంట్ వరీ అట్ ఆల్. మీకు వచ్చిన ప్రతి సమస్యని క్లారిఫై చేయడానికి నేను సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాను. సో మీరు నన్ను కన్సల్ట్ చేసి మీ డౌట్స్ని క్లారిఫై చేసుకోండి. సో ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఈజ్ టు రిమూవ్ దోస్ two demons from you, fear and shy. Once you come away from them, once you chase them away from you, you will be able to become a good English speaker with my support. They are always with you. Remember me every time, anytime when you get a doubt, immediately post your comment and I'll clarify your doubts. I'm there with you. I'll support you all the time. Thank you. Good luck.